Hi, I'm Julie from ThermoKitchen and today we're making teriyaki chicken. This recipe is actually a free one on my website and it's also in an Asian banquet cookbook. So I put this recipe on the website so that people can have a try of one of my recipes from the book. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to show you is how to cut the chicken for the teriyaki chicken recipe. Now what's really important is the sizing. These are the chicken thigh fillets that we're going to use. Now I always do like to use chicken thigh fillets because they have more flavour, they're a moister cut, and the breast does tend to dry out and flake more than the thigh does. So with the thigh fillets like this, we're going to just cut in about 2 centimetre strips. So by 2 centimetre, I mean that's 1 centimetre, 2 metre. It doesn't matter how thick it is or how long it is. So I would just cut that there like that. And leave these pieces as they are. So that's how I would cut it for the teriyaki chicken. Now we don't want them overly long, but maybe just like that. And it will cook in the time allowed. We don't need to worry about that. But if we do cut them too small, you'll end up with mush. So you don't trim this. This just stays like that. I wouldn't cut this any further at all. Yep. And any time that you're doing, particularly chicken, which is a delicate meat, you want to keep the pieces quite large. But we're looking at decent size pieces of chicken going into the Thermomix bowl. Okay, so first of all, 15 grams of garlic, and I've got 10 grams of ginger. Now you might see I haven't bothered to peel this. There's no reason to, as long as it's not old ginger that's all wrinkly. We just pop that in. Lid on. 3 seconds. Okay, now we're going to scrape down the bowl. And next we add our sauce ingredients. So we're adding mirin, vinegar, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Our chicken that's been cut into 2 centimetre strips. So we've got our sauce ingredients, garlic, ginger, and now we're going to cook for 14 minutes. I also have made some cauliflower rice in the Thermomix, and there'll be instructions in the YouTube. But basically it's just 300 grams of cauliflower on speed 5 for 5 seconds, and pop it into your aroma tray, and then repeat with another 300 grams of cauliflower. So with this here, I'm just adding this to the top while the chicken's cooking below. So we've just got a bit of steam starting to happen now. Now you want that to be on with about 9 minutes at least to go, because that's when we're starting to get our steam happening, and that'll give the cauliflower a chance to heat up and cook. It'll still be a little bit crunchy and nice, but yeah, so that's just a little tip I've got to serve with the teriyaki chicken of baby spinach to a thermos server. So we have this a lot with our family, and the recipe itself is for teriyaki chicken. But obviously I'm a mum and I like my children to have some serves of vegetables along with their chicken. So by putting the spinach in here, and then once the teriyaki chicken is finished, by pouring it over this and just stirring through, the kids are getting teriyaki chicken, which they love because it's sweet, with some spinach mixed in and cauliflower rice instead of regular rice. So it's quite a balanced meal and they seem to enjoy it. Add the chicken teriyaki to the thermo server and stir through the spinach. Then garnish with sesame seeds and shallots. The complete recipe can be found on my website and there's a link in the description below. For more great Asian recipes, take a look at my Asian banquet cookbook. This is also linked below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ThermoKitchen and join us in our Facebook group.